Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Lincoln Navigator key fob, how to replace the battery. It's very easy and simple. Small tab, you slide it like this. Once you slide it, you press it. With the other fingernail, you slide it out, just like this. There is a slot on the back of the key, right here. Put your key here and then you rotate it like this. So by turning it this way, it pops up from this side. You hold it from this hand, then you pull it out. Then with the help of screwdriver, and this one takes CR2032. So in order to put it back in, there is a clip. So you slide the battery like this and it goes inside easily. You align it just like this and then start pressing. Perfectly close, and then you put your blade key back in, and that's it. And that's how it's easy you can change your Lincoln key fob battery. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.